Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a very exciting experiment. This is called as minimal surfaces by using wireframes. So I have got some wireframes which I will be showing to you, and I have one container in which I have formed the soap solution. Now these minimal surfaces are very important in mathematics. Whenever you have to solve some problems, the minimal surfaces or the wireframes dipped in soap solution, they give a very ready-made answer to these problems. Otherwise, by using mathematical terms or mathematical equations, it will take a lot of time to solve such problems. For example, consider that there are four houses at four corners of a square, and they want to build some road in between them, which is the least distance path. So if you will make such wire frame, and if you will dip it in the soap solution or the wire frames, the surfaces which are formed in the wire frames, they will give you the direct ready-made answer to such type of problems. So let us look at the different wireframes.
Start.
The first wireframe that I am going to show you is in the form of a cube. So this is a cube which is formed by using a copper wire, and now I am going to dip it in a soap solution. So you can look at the soap films which are formed inside a cube. So you can observe that inside there is a square which is formed. So you can observe that inside there is a square which is formed, and this is the minimum surface that the wireframe can form. Okay, now let us look at the other frame which I have. So this is a triangular pyramid which is formed. So now I will dip it in this, and you can observe the shape which is formed here. So you can observe that the planes, they are intersecting along a line. Then the other one which I have, that is nothing but a cuboid. So you can observe the wireframe which is formed. Inside there is a rectangle, and the soap films which are formed. So this is the tendency of the soap films, that they will always acquire a surface which is having least energy. This one is you can call it as a helicoid, that is called in mathematics. So there is a spring-like structure. So I am dipping it in the soap solution, and you can observe the films which are formed here. Then I will show you one more exciting type of surface film. I have a slinky, small one, and I am dipping it in the soap solution, and you can observe the soap films which are formed here along the length of the slinky. So this is the kind of soap film that is formed in case of a slinky. So now I will show you one more exciting part for this experiment. So I am going to, I have a bottle which is cut into two halves. The middle portion I have removed, and now I will dip this soap solution uh, in the bottle. So I am dipping it here, and the other half part which I have uh, cut, that I am going to place it here. Let me remove the bubbles which are formed. So you can observe that this is the type of film which is formed here. Okay. Now if I will continuously blow through this, you can observe the different type of structure which is formed here. The time up to which I will be blowing air through this, the film will remain up to that for that much time. Okay, so this is how you can form different soap films by using wireframes, and this is very important in mathematics. So now let us look at the reason.
Go.
So let us look at the reason why the minimal surfaces are formed in a wireframe. So soap films, they always satisfy three geometrical conditions. The first condition is that three smooth surfaces of a soap film intersect along a line. So we have observed in the wireframe the shapes which are formed of the soap film. So the surfaces, they will always intersect along a line. So we have seen this particular in this in the previous films. So the surfaces, suppose this is one surface, this is another surface, they will intersect always along a line. And if you will look at the angle between the intersecting surfaces, the angle is always 120 degree. Okay, so between any 2 points, if you will consider this angle or this angle or this angle, that is around 120 degree. The second boundary condition, the second condition is that the angle between any two tangent planes, two intersecting surfaces at any point along line of intersection of three surfaces is 120 degree. So if there are such three intersecting lines and if there are such three planes which are formed, then the angle between any two planes will be always 120 degree. The third geometrical condition that is obeyed by the soap films is that four of the lines, each formed by intersection of three surfaces, meet at a point, and angle between any pair of adjacent lines is 109 degree. So if there are such four lines which are formed here, okay, if there are such four planes which are formed, then the angle between them, that will be equal to 109 degree. So after satisfying all the geometrical conditions, we are getting the different shapes which are formed in the wireframes, and this is mathematically a very important demonstration, and this gives you a quick result for the formation of soap films. And the soap films, they always satisfy the least energy surfaces. Thank you.